Okay, this is Target 4A translations. So we have to write the translation rule both as a transformation rule and in vector form. And then we also have to draw the vector. Okay, so let's write the rules down. Remember, x plus is move right. X minus is move left. And y plus is move up, and y minus is move down. So this says we're going 5 up. Or, I'm sorry, not 5 up, 5 to the right. 5 to the right. So right here is 5 to the right. Or right here is right, and if I want to say 5 to the right, I'm going to write x plus 5. Okay, and then 4 up. So 4 up. Here's up, it's y plus. So y plus 4 would mean 4 up. Now I have to write the x first. So x plus 5, y plus 4. Now here I just write the numbers without the letters in the arrows here. This is the vector form. So positive 5, positive 4. Okay, now we also have to draw the vector. So I have to take this point A and I have to go 5 to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to go 4 up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's my new A prime. I have to draw the arrow from A to A prime. So it has to be pointing at A prime. So there's my vector. It's from A to A prime. And don't forget the prime. Okay, for this one we have to move this according to this translation. So this says x plus 4. So remember that means right 4. And again, we have these rules written down right here. X plus is right. So this said x plus 4, so right 4. Y minus 3 means down 3. So I'm going to take each point and move it right 4 and down 3. So I'm going to start here with A, and I'm going to go right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down 3. 1, 2, 3. And right here is my new point, A prime. And don't forget to write the prime. Same thing with B. I'm going to go 4 right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down 3. 1, 2, 3. And here's B prime. Same thing with C. Right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down 3. 1, 2, 3. So right here is C prime. And then D prime, 1, 2, 3, 4. So right 4, down 3. 1, 2, 3. And D prime. And then I'm just going to connect the dots. And you guys can use your IDs as straight edges and make it straighter than mine. I can't use a straight edge when I'm drawing on this tool, so we have to go with kind of crooked lines. Okay, now we have to write the coordinates of the points. So A prime is right here, and it's 4 over, so that's 4, and it's not up or down, so 4, 0. B is not left or right, so that's 0 left or right, and down 3. C is left 2, so that's negative 2, and up 1, so negative 2, 1, and D prime is right 1 and up 2, so right 1, up 2. Okay. Now here we have to write the translation. Whoa, got away from me there. We have to write the translation rule. Here it is. And we need to go from Q to Q prime. So I need to know what this is, from Q to Q prime. I need to figure out what that vector is. So I'm going to figure out how I'd get there. So I have to start at Q and I have to end at Q prime. Now, if I start at Q prime and go to Q, I'll get a different answer. I need to start at the non-prime and go to the prime. In fact, let's write that down. Go from non-prime to prime. So I'm here to get to from Q to Q prime. I'm going to go up 1, 2, so let me draw it. I'll do dashed. So I need to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's up 6. And then I need to go this way. And that looks like left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left 7. So up 6 and left 7. Remember, left is x minus, so x minus 7. We always write the x first and then the y's. And then up 6 would be y plus 6. Now here I write what I've got. So the number here is negative 7, and the number here is 6. I just write the numbers in there. So negative 7, 6. Okay, and then it says, are translations rigid motions? And something is a rigid motion if it doesn't change size. Okay, so since translations don't change the size, it is a rigid motion. Okay. So here's a target. So the following problems you have to practice on, try them on your own, and bring them in to have either myself check or your geometry teacher, a geometry support teacher, or a math lab teacher to double check that you did the problems right. So here's the first one. So you should pause it and solve it. Here's the second one. Again, you should pause it and solve it. And here's a third one. Again, pause and solve. And that's it. Good luck.